One of the biggest reasons why a roadside assistance technician will always be in business is because people who don't know how to change their tire are always changing their tire, and they're dropping the vehicle on the ground because they're using those itty-bitty flimsy old jacks that come with the vehicle that not very many people know how to use properly. And if you don't know how to use it properly, you're gonna drop the car on the jack. So I am arriving at a location. I'm actually at the location here in Castleton, Indianapolis, doing a tire change on this. I believe it's a Mazda of some kind or some type of vehicle. I didn't even check the notes, but we're gonna change this tire real quick. And I'm just waiting on the customer to walk out here or somebody to confirm, because I'm not gonna work on this yet. They haven't paid, so I wanna make sure they know I'm here, and I'm not gonna start nothing until I see some faces in some places. But I guess we could go ahead get out there and make a scene, let them know that I'm here. So check this out. All right. I didn't wear my boots today. It's got my tennis shoes on. It's casual Friday. What up? I'm gonna show y'all what happened over here with these people. And I'm not gonna touch anything until I see somebody, but I do wanna show y'all what is going on. Trying to find my little light. There it is. Here we go. Hello. I'm good. So here's what we got. We tried to put the jack on the control arm. Obviously it's not supposed to go there, it's supposed to go over here. So we're just gonna put the tire on for them and get them on their way. Check it out. What's going on?
Flat tire, didn't have the right size jack.
Yep.
Got it up, got the tire off, and then the whole thing
failed.
just fucking collapsed.
No big deal, man. See this all the time.
Yeah.
You got a spare tire in the back?
Yeah,
over there?
spare off, and then the whole thing
failed.
just fucking collapsed.
No big deal, man. See this all the time.
Yeah.
You got a spare tire in the back?
Yeah,
over
it's
there?
right here.
All
We've
right,
got the
perfect.
donut right here.
I'm gonna go ahead and get you taken care of. So I did send you guys a link for a review. If you drop one, it means the world to me. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, I think she got that.
And just for future reference, anytime you use one of those little jacks, there's a spot on the wheel, or right here on the car.
That's where we had it
Trim?
originally.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, that's where it was when it collapsed, and then when it was that
really?
low, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I just don't think I had the right size.
Oh, you tried to get it underneath the control arm.
Tried to get over there, and then I actually got it over there to try to get it up a little bit to try to use a different jack that we had that was a little bigger, but I couldn't even get it to raise at all. Exactly. I figured at that point it was just impossible. And then I went to the store to look at those, and they're crazy expensive. So
$100 or something like that.
Almost 200.
it was it was like
really?
2 something for the 3 ton ones.
Oh yeah. You only needed 1.5. I think it was like $100.
Okay. So
Just in
when
case.
when I looked online, it said the SUVs need like a 2.5, 3 ton blah blah blah. So I wasn't sure.
For sure. Bucks.
Okay. So
Just in
when
case.
I,
Just
when I
in
looked online, it said the SUVs need like a 2.5, 3 ton blah blah
Some.
blah. So I wasn't sure.
For sure. For sure. But there we go.
Okay, I just paid you.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
Whatever that.
Tire needs a little bit of air. Got a compressor in the back there. We'll get that taken care of in just a sec.
Would you mind checking my time?
No, I wouldn't mind doing that at all.
Okay, because I think I have another one that's low because my light keeps coming on and I can't get it to go away. So.
Oh, no worries. We'll figure it out.
I bet you it's that same one because that had a big ass hole in it.
Well, I'm sure, but I think all of them are kind of low.
After that other tire that I took off and just back and go.
Yeah.
I'm recording something, but this last night got stuck and I can't get it off now. But I should have a second one. There it is. I'll just drop the lug nut in here.
Well, one guy we had called out for my tire couldn't get the lugs off because Ford's
Oh yeah, the lug nut caps, they get swollen.
yeah, well they get eroded. The Fords erode and then they can't get the lug nut off at all. I've had to replace all of my lug nuts so many times.
Oh man. Very common.
They're not cheap.
How much are lug nuts cost? Very common.
They're not cheap.
How much are lug nuts costing nowadays?
I don't know. I didn't. It was an amount I didn't want.
Any amount is no good, right?
Well, how many's on each tire and then paying for each tire?
Let me get my compressor out here.
Which one do you think's flat?
I don't know. I just think they're low.
Well, that you said you noticed one. It's flat.
The back one there, but he has it backed up now. So you can't see it.
That's why I think
$75 really isn't that bad.
Well, when you show it pretty quick, it's not that bad. When they make you wait an hour, that $75 doesn't look great.
Yeah.
You'll have some people be like, oh man, you're like 30 minutes late. Charge so expensive and you're always late.
No, I didn't think that was bad at all. I've had to pay for so many tows. Like, tows are different, but
Yeah, it's a different world.
yeah.
it's not like you can help where you're at either. If you're on the south side, you gotta come all the way to the north side. There's not really much you can do about it.
It's true. All right, we put this up here. Okay, this is your breaker bar or somebody's cold.
Yeah.
You put it in the trunk.
So we're just gonna air that up to about 50, 60 pounds. And we'll be good to go. Pretty low though, almost at like 10 pounds. Almost at 50. Nice that you have a spare though. A lot of new cars don't even come with one.
Yeah, mine didn't.
This is
Yeah, it does. I had bought one, but
You gotta get it towed or have a replacement on site.
this is a well. I do have my own. Well, that's a whole different story.
Right
Like
there.
not having the handle for the jack thing. But
we have her jack, but we don't have the rod to crank it to get it up. So I
yeah.
called somebody else to come bring their jack over, and they have a smaller car. And I didn't
Same.
and I didn't really realize that it would be a different weight, like a whole different weight. So I got this jacked up with hers, and then that's the one that just fell apart this quick.
Stuff into there. It happens, man. You won't believe how many calls you get like this. But those jacks are so flimsy.
Oh yeah,
You gotta make sure you have the parking brake on,
Right.
wheels chalk, because if it moves just maybe about an inch or two,
and this isn't really like
it'll drop.
it's not really flat ground. So as soon as
Yeah,
it started
that's
rolling,
what
it
I'm
was it was
Yeah.
screwed.
It was over with.
Yeah.
All right, well, you guys are all set. I'm just gonna take a couple of pictures here, and then we're all done. A couple of pictures here, and then we're all done.